Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the shiitake pie recipe. First, make sure you already have the original mushroom pie recipe. You can get this recipe from NPC Massimo. And then next, just go to your stove, tap on it, and then just select the original mushroom pie. This one, mushroom pie. And then after that, just change the mushroom ingredients with the shiitake mushroom. This one. Like this, and after that just simply tap on start cooking like this. Like this. Okay, like that, just like that, you will unlock a new recipe, shiitake pie. And usually there will be a special animations like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.